Harmo presents next generation eye controller for their robots. Harmo is a comprehensive manufacturer of molded part takeout robots and peripheral equipment. Three major functions. The three new functions of the eye controller make your molding work much easier. First, smart programming for flexible user programming. This is a breakthrough function allowing you to edit the program easily on site. You can simply add points, timers, and outputs, so setup is very easy. Secondly, screen customization to create your favorite screens. You can rename items and relocate buttons. Thirdly, communication with peripheral equipment. This is our unique function to operate Harmo's F-Series dryers, loaders, and mold temperature controllers on the eye controller, according to the mold memory stored in these units. These three user-friendly functions save setup time drastically. Details of the three features. We will explain each feature in detail. Smart programming. To add special motions, inputs, and outputs to a program, you had to order a special program from Harmo or use Falcon Editor application software on PC. Now you can use the Smart Programming standard function to do so. Example 1. We will add an undercut motion to a standard program. Now, the robot operates according to a standard program. We will add an undercut point to this program. Move the robot arm to the point after which the undercut point will be added in step confirmation. Press the ADD button. Press the point button. Move the robot arm to the undercut point in manual operation. Press the Point Set button. The point has been added to the operation list. Then, add a timer for the undercut motion. Enter a timer value on the numeric keypad screen. The timer has been added. The end user is also able to rename timer and point names. Return the robot to the home position and start auto operation. Now, the undercut point and a timer have been added to the program. Example 2. Set another part release point in addition to the current part release point. Now the robot releases molded parts at first point. We will allow the robot to release parts at second point. To create this motion, we will add 3 new points to the program in the same way. Return the robot to the home position and start auto operation. You can easily add the 2 points release motion to the undercut motion in this way. Screen customization. Screen customization. You can create your favorite screens. You can add and delete buttons and status monitor on screen. You can delete this current position monitor like this. You can also relocate screen buttons freely. This is a breakthrough function. In addition, you can customize the I/O list as well as readily retrieve required inputs and outputs. Furthermore, you can set valve port settings freely and rename points, speeds, timers, and counters. Communication with peripheral equipment. You can operate peripheral equipment on the robot screen, precisely because Harmo is a comprehensive manufacturer of robots and peripheral equipment. Has this peripheral equipment communication been realized? When you have our F-series hopper dryers, mold temperature controllers or dehumidifiers, you can operate them on the iController screen according to mold memories stored in them. When starting the communication, you can see a control panel and settings in real time. You can edit temperature values, switch on and off power, and change timer values on the controller. You can connect a maximum 31 peripheral units to a robot and edit setting data for each on the controller screen. Additionally, you can use the mold memory communication feature to recall mold memory linked to mold data of the robots from each unit. You can also switch on and off dehumidifiers and hopper loaders mounted on a dryer. Pendant features. Let me show you the features of the controller pendant. First, a scroll and push jog dial. This has been getting favorable responses in the plastic industry. Data can be selected by scrolling the dial and entered by pushing it. A membrane switch panel with excellent touch feeling, so you can do manual operation safely. A key switch allows you to select robot off mode, manual mode, or auto mode. Data in the controller is protected by removing the key. The touch panel is very clear. It's 8.4-inch XGA high-resolution LCD with 260,000 colors. The colorful LEDs offer excellent visibility. The dead man's switch is easy to press for safety. The pendant profile is ergonomic, lightweight, and compact. Harmo's mission is to continue to develop new advanced products and technologies for new generations. iController.